All right, what's going on, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. We're going to be looking at Nvidia, and this is definitely one of the top metaverse stocks that you can invest in. Okay, Nvidia is pretty pricey even after their stock split. It's a few $100s a share. So an easy way to invest in Nvidia if you don't have enough money for $300 per share is to buy some Meta, META. That is Nvidia is one of the largest holdings in that ETF, in that Metaverse ETF. So if you can't afford Nvidia, you can buy some of the Meta ETF. And if you guys want a video on the Meta ETF, you can go ahead and click right here at the top right corner. There will be a video for you, okay? Now, with that being said, let's go ahead and dive straight into the video. We're looking at the chart here, the daily chart for NVIDIA. So first thing first, we have a little bit of bearish divergence, which is causing this drop, okay? So bearish divergence is when the stock price makes a higher high. So we had a high here, and then we made a higher high here, right? But the RSI made lower highs. So stock price is making higher highs, RSI is making lower highs. That's what's known as bearish divergence. And you can see that we're starting to see a little bit of red now, okay? So we could, the bearish divergence could be an indicator that we're gonna fall down, okay? We basically have half of a head and shoulders formed as well, okay? We have a left shoulder, we have a head, and if we were to fall back down to our base support level, this yellow support level, and bounce up again, that would complete our right shoulder. And unless we get to the breakout level, this blue line, my breakout level, and have a breakout and hit these bullish price targets, the green lines, then this thing will drop. And if we break below the base support level, we're most likely going to head down towards these gaps to fill and also complete the head and shoulders formation. Okay, so I'm pretty bullish on Nvidia. All right, honestly, even if I think if you bought the highs of Nvidia and then held it for 5 years, I think that it would still pay off very nicely. Long-term position wise, start looking at Nvidia for some positions, and determine a price that you like. And if you guys want to trade it short term, here's what we got to look out for, okay? Nvidia could drop soon because of the potential head and shoulders forming. We have the bearish divergence. We have 1, 2, 3 daily gaps down. So we have this daily gap, and this daily gap. I forgot to put a little drawing here for this one for you guys. I'll do that real quick, actually. So with that being said, there are some gaps. There is bearish divergence. There's a possible head and shoulders. We could see this thing pull back. But as I said, I'm pretty bullish. We're currently in the middle of a bull flag pattern. So for us to maintain this bull flag, we need to keep this base support level right here in yellow. Okay, we can't go below there. All right, and then we need to break out at this level. This is my breakout level right here at 347. Okay, like 347 point something, 0.2 area. Once we break out above there, okay, then we'll hit our first bullish price target. We'll be in bullish territory and we could, hit our bullish price targets, okay? The white dotted lines are just going to be support and resistance levels in between my green bullish price targets, my blue breakout level, and then white. White is kind of like the same thing as my base support, but this one's in yellow just to make it pop more, okay? So like caution, beware. Like once we're here, I need to be cautious because if we start trading below here, we're no longer in a bullish pattern, okay? So just keep all that in mind. Hopefully you guys like this video. Hopefully you guys like the way I chart things. I try to make it nice and simple for you guys, easy to understand. So thank you guys for watching again. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also, if you want to join the Options Trading Tycoons Discord, you can gain access to all of our stock callouts, our crypto callouts, options callouts, and much, much more. There's lots of resources, and there's multiple admin members in the group as well. So you'll always have some help going on. With that being said, I'm out.